Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic how to read call on your Android phone. Recording phone calls on Android device can be a challenge while Google's own phone app offers a recording feature. Whether or not it works depends on your carrier, region or other conditions. You can always use an external recording device, but there are also several on-device options including Google's phone's app, Google Voice and several third-party apps recording elimination on Android. Google has never been particularly fond of call recording apps for Android, at least not those for third parties. With Android 9, the company added limitation that prevented many apps from recording your phone conversation. The app continued to work, but when you played the recording, you could only hear your end of the conversation or complete silence. Android 10 cracked down even further on these types of apps by blocking call recording via the microphone. In response, many app developers started tapping into Android's accessibility service to record phone calls, but Google then updated its developer policy in April 2022 to state that it would not allow apps in the Play Store to use the accessibility service for call recording. That policy went into effect on May 11 2022. The company has even gone so far as to label call recording as a type of spyware behaviors that can be considered as preying on the user can also be flagged as spyware. Google said in its developer policy, for example, recording audio or recording calls made to the phone or stealing app data. In the past, people were able to find workarounds to Google blocks, such as changing the audio source or format, turning the speaker's volume as loud as possible, recording manually instead of automatically, and even routing their phones. Others have since taken to side-loading call recording apps through an APK file rather than downloading them directly from Google Play. The vision of Android installed on your phone also plays a role in the all apps. In all this, apps on devices with Android 9 and earlier should still be able to record phone call without bumping into Google's latest restriction. But apps on phones with Android 10 or higher that try to use the accessibility service, many run afoul of Google new policy. A question of legality, assuming you are able to find a working call recording app, can you legally record a phone call, especially if you do not ask the other person for permission? The answer depends on where you live. United States federal and state laws allows phone recording if just on party. There are 11 states that require both parties to agree: California, Delaware, Florida, Illinois, Maryland, Massachusetts, Montana, Nevada, New Hampshire. So guys, other countries their own laws of course to fully cover yourself legally. Ask the other person for permission before recording the call those of with all those of lamination, restriction and obstacles of the way. Here are some apps that may be able to record your Android iPhone conversation on way on other ways. Another Google's Phones app offers built-in call recording, but it's contingent on a number of conditions. The app must be pre-installed on your phone with the latest app update. You must be running Android 9 or higher. And most scantily, your region carrier and device must all support it. which leaves a lot of phones and locations out of the running. So guys, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.